Hello, we are from IIT Bombay Racing and we build Formula style electric race cars. So we started the team in 2008 and initially we built combustion vehicles and then made the shift to electric vehicles in 2012. From then we have been participating in Formula Student UK competition every year and also Formula Bharat.
I am Akash, I am the overall coordinator of team UMIC and I am currently leading the project Cedrica. So Cedrica is the self-driving car project of IIT Bombay and we started in 2011. So initially we used to participate in IGVC competitions of AutoNav and in 2017 we started working on fully fledged vehicle.
Hi, we're team AUV IIT Bombay. We work on developing autonomous underwater vehicles. Here we have Matsya 6, the 6th iteration of our vehicle. Our team was founded in 2011 and currently we are a team of 55 plus members.
Hello, we are the student satellite team IIT Bombay. I am Bal and he is Kanish and today we are here to present the team. This is Pratham. This is our first satellite and it was launched in 2016. Its payload was to calculate the total electron count in the ionosphere and it did it in a 1 kilometer square area.
Hi, we are ITB rocket team. We are a student rocket team recognized by InSpace and ISRO. Our goal is to send a 5 kilogram payload to 3 kilometers at 10,000 feet into the altitude.
We are from Team Flagship. Our main objective is to build autonomous UAVs for rescue and search operations. So we build the planes, UAVs and quadrotors for waypoint navigation, obstacle avoidance and object detection.
Hello, this is Shruti from Team Shunya. Team Shunya works upon developing the sustainable houses at an affordable prices. So when it comes to sustainability in housing, we are targeting to achieve a net zero energy or net positive energy.
Hello, I'm Hriday. I'm Aditya and we are the IIT Bombay Mars Rover team. So we are making the prototype of the Mars rover and here is how it works. It uses the LiDAR sensors and it uses the camera systems that it has.
Hello, we are SPART, solar-powered airship racing team, and we make airships. Airships are lighter than air systems which are filled with helium or hydrogen which provide the aerostatic lift. So in this case, they conserve a lot of energy in with respect to their counterparts like aircrafts or drones which use a lot of energy just to stay afloat in the air.
Hi, I am from Team UMIC. We are from Team Aero. We work upon building autonomous drones. As you can see here, this is a large-scale model of an autonomous drone which was aimed at the competition IRC Mission 9. The main objective of this competition was to traverse 3.2 kilometers and grab this mast and perform a replacement mechanism on it.